Hi, this is Shannon, and I'm here to help you customize your club shipment with Good Harbor Vineyards. I'll walk you through how to select your wines, change wine delivery choice, and update your credit card number. First, go to goodharbor.com and log into your club account. Enter your username and password. It's likely your username is your email address. If you have forgotten your password, click below the login area and we will resend and reset your password with instructions. You can tell when you're logged into your account because you will see your name in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click Customize Shipment to get started. You are now in your Wine Club account profile. Click Choose Wines when you are ready. For your convenience, the winemaker has already selected 6 bottles of wine and placed them in your shopping cart. That's why you see listed the estimated subtotal and 20% off savings already in your cart. These selections typically include pre-released or exclusive wines just for club members. If you want to change these quantities or remove them from your shopping cart, simply change the quantities for each wine. Then proceed by selecting your favorite wines. Remember, you must choose at least 6 bottles for each club shipment. We recommend ensuring you have enough wine to last until your next club shipment. Ordering more than 6 bottles also helps make the most of your discount and shipping costs. When you have finished selecting 6 bottles or more, scroll down to see your billing information and payment method. If you need to change your credit card information or add a new card, select the drop-down menu and add a new card. Next, determine how you want to receive your wine. You can have it sent to your billing address or pick it up in our tasting room. Next, if you want to send it to another location or send it as a gift to someone, select New Shipping Address, then add a new shipping address. Fill out the information and write an optional gift message. Click Submit and your club shipment order is now complete. You will receive a confirmation email of your club shipment selections. If you see any corrections that need to be made, simply return to your account before the deadline to make changes and resubmit. Your credit card will not be charged until the date we've provided via email. If you still need help after watching this video and reading our frequently asked questions from our website, please call our tasting room during business hours. We'd be happy to help you place your order. We at Good Harbor Vineyards thank you for your patronage and hope to see you soon.